Kevin Sumlin's going to get fired, and I love him, and I'd hire him.
Right.
Some guys, Butch Jones at Tennessee is going to get fired. Nobody's going to hire him. Like, it's over for him as a head coach. So let's just talk about this. The Big Ten rebuilt itself by spending a lot of money on coaches.
Coaches, yes.
And what a shock. James Franklin, home run. Penn State paid Joe Paterno $500,000 a year. They're paying Franklin $4.5 million.
Right.
They stepped up. Urban Meyer, fortune. Harbaugh, $7 million. Lovie Smith, Illinois.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not a shock. You pay for coaches, you win games. You got a bunch of coordinators outside of Nick Saban in this conference. I do think Dan Mullen's a hell of a coach at Mississippi State. So I said this earlier. Butch Jones. We have a live picture of Butch Jones at Tennessee. He's not only on the hot seat. That's literally right now a live shot of Butch Jones, the coach at Tennessee. His seat is on fire.
Man.
So I'm going to throw this out to you.
Okay.
Bob Stoops is just sitting out there. Chip Kelly's just sitting out there.
Okay.
Bobby Petrino could move. Brian Kelly may get maybe over Notre Dame's delusion. Tennessee, A&M, you know and I know.
Yeah.
The SEC's going to start spending $6 million a year on a coach.
I firmly believe that Tennessee is a prime job. I would say top 10,
Yes.
11 jobs in the
Absolutely.
country. I don't think A&M is that because they're not even king in their own state,
Right.
much less their own division. So that's a tougher one. They're going to be able to pay for a quality coach. But let's say you're Chip Kelly and you have a choice between Texas A&M and Tennessee. It's Tennessee all day long. They're going to pay enough of that. And quite frankly, that's who I would go after. And remember this about Tennessee. They just got a new athletic director. And anytime your coach is working for an athletic director that didn't hire him, that is a relationship that is not for long. And so John Currie, who came from Kansas State, John Currie is a great athletic director. He's going to be raising funds to redo Neyland Stadium. Terrific guy, and guess what? He's going to get his own guy in there. So look for a Chip Kelly at Tennessee, and that could reboot that entire division if you get a guy like Chip Kelly at Tennessee.
By the way, Bob Stoops is retired, got a beautiful wife and family.
I don't think Bob's going back into coaching. I really don't.
Really?
I really don't, because he wasn't forced out. This guy, I sat with him, Colin, countless times. Whether it was in spring meetings in Arizona and it was a very casual environment, or it was in his office before a big game like Ohio State last year. And every time, anytime we talked about longevity or how long he was going to coach, he always said, I'm not going to be that guy that either stays too long,
Bobby Bowden,
or they have to push me out.
Mack Brown.
And I think it bothered him the way that Mack was treated at Texas.
Yeah.
I don't know if he would admit that, but I think it bothered him. I don't think he wanted to be Philip Fulmer. I don't think he wanted to be Bobby Bowden or any of these people, and he left the program in a great state. I don't think Bob Stoops is getting back into coaching.